Hi everyone, this is Nived. So in this video, we'll discuss about Robocop Workforce Agent. So Robocop Workforce Agent actually provides a way to execute our unattended bots in a target machine other than Robocop Cloud Container. In our previous video, we had discussed on how we can run a unattended bots in a cloud container. But not always we can't run our process in a cloud container platform due to, like, for example, there are certain applications that will be only available in a target machine. At that time it would be necessary that you should run your process in that specific machine only for automating that desktop application. So by using Robocop Workforce Agent you are able to achieve that. So let's discuss more on how we can run a particular process in a specific machine using this Robocop Workforce Agent. So for that, what you have to do is, so first let me navigate to this example workspace under Nived example organization. So before discussing more about the Robocop Workforce Agent application, first we have to discuss about the process that we are going to automate. So here, this is the process actually I had designed in my Robocop lab. So this process will actually do the data entry operation in the RPA challenge website. So here my requirement is that I need to run this process in this specific machine. So let's see how we can do that. So first what we have to do is we have to upload this robot to this example workspace. For uploading the robot to example workspace, you have to click on upload to Robocop cloud option. Now you have to select the workspace. So here my workspace is example workspace. Now you have to click on create new robot. You have to give your robot name. So I'm giving the robot name as data entry. Now let me click on upload robot. So you can see that the robot will get uploaded to the Robocop cloud. It will take some time. So the robot has been successfully uploaded to Robocop cloud, that you can see here under robot section. You can see. Now after uploading the robot to the Robocop cloud under example workspace, the next step is you have to download the Robocop Workforce Agent application for the target machine on which you need to run your unattended automation. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the environment tab. Then you can see the installer section. So the installer section will contains the list of the Robocop Workforce Agent for specific operating system. Like you can see the Robocop Workforce Agent exe file for the file for Mac, the Robocop Workforce Agent file for Windows, Robocop Workforce file for Linux. So in my case, my operating system is Windows, so I am installing the Robocop Workforce Agent for Windows. So let me click on this download option and let me click on save to download this file. So it will take some time depending upon the network speed. Also please note that the Robocop Workforce Agent application is need to be installed only for one time. Okay. So now you have seen that we had successfully installed that application. Now let's click on that to do the additional installation process. Let me click here. So you can see certain license need to be agreed, and let me go with the default option. Next, you can click on install to install the Robocop Workforce Agent application. So it will take some time. Now you can see that it has been successfully installed. Let me click on finish. Now you can see that when this is the Robocop Workforce Agent. Okay. So first step is we have to link the Robocop Workforce Agent with the Robocop Cloud. For that there are two options are being available. One is by using the link token. Second is by using the credential method. So link token means like you have to paste the Robocop link token that is generated in a specific workspace. You can see here under environment tab you can find the option. You can see the link token. So if you click on generate link token, it will generate a link. It will generate a token which will be valid for certain hours that you can paste it and also you have to specify the environment name that has to be created under this example workspace. That will be a self-hosted environment. And then you have to click on this link, Robocop Workforce Agent, to link your Robocop Workforce Agent with the Robocop Cloud. This is one method. Another method is directly log in with your Robocop Cloud credential. So that is the one way that I am going to try here. You can try the other method also. Okay. So here let me click on this login to Robocop Cloud to link my Robocop Cloud with the uh, Robocop Workforce Agent. So now you can see, since I had already logged in, so I don't have to do the typing the username and password and then log in, since I had already logged in. So what I can do is I just click on this link Robocop Workforce Agent with your account. Just click here. Now you can see you can find is like the options for the workspace. Like you have to select to which workspace you have to link your Robocop Workforce Agent. So in my case, I had to link to example workspace. So now you have to specify the name of the environment that you have to create under this example workspace. So let me give the name of the environment as Nived underscore HP. That will be the self-hosted environment that will be created under this example workspace. Now let me click on link Robocop Workforce Agent, and now you can see that, yeah, you can see that the environment Nived underscore HP had been created. And now you can see that the status of this environment is idle, which means that the environment actually has been active, and now you can run any of your process under this, because since its state is idle, now you can run any of your process here. Okay, so the state of this environment is idle, so it is being controlled by this button. For example, if you click your button stop, what happens is your environment will get stopped, and you can see that the status of your environment will get offline, which means that you can't run any of your process here unless you turn it to start it. So if you start it, you can run your process here. Okay, now you can see that your environment state changes to idle. So now let's see how we can run our process in this specific Nived underscore HP environment. For that, let me go to workforce and let me click on new process, and let me give the name of the process as data entry. Now let me click on create. Okay, now we have to add the steps to run our robot. So let me click on configure process. Also, please note that in my previous video, there was certain changes had been made after my previous video on this Robocop Cloud UI. Like they had changed something, so you also have to keep note of that. So to add the step, what you have to do is you have to click on add step. Now you have to select a robot. So in my case, I'm selecting data entry bot. Now you have to select the environment. In my case, I'm selecting the self-hosted environment, Nived underscore HP, not this Robocop cloud container. Okay, so I'm selecting Nived underscore HP. Then you click on add to process. Okay, now you had created the process and the respective steps. Okay, now what you can do is you can start your process, since like this step is being defined under which environment, in this Nived underscore HP environment, and it is ready to start any process because its state is idle now. So what you can do to run a particular process, what you can do, you can just click on run default to run your process. So when you are running your process for first time, it will take some time to set up in the environment. So let's wait for that. Now you can see that our process has been started. So this is automation process being going on here. You can see it is logging to RPA Challenge website. It is downloading the Excel and doing the data entry operations. You can see. Now you can see it has taken the screenshot and it has closed the process. So the process has been done successfully. So yeah, you can see activity execution finished. That the message that is popped up by the Robocop Workforce agent. Now if you go to this state, if you need to get all the log details, you can get here. You can see the environment state, what is being done here, everything you can see. Since it is running for first time, it should take, like you can see, if the environment is new one, this will take around 60 seconds. But if you are running the same process again, it will take very less time to execute this particular process, because all the environment setup has been already been done in the first run itself. Okay, so now also you can see the log details here, so which implies that our process has been done successfully, every step has been executed successfully, everything you can see. Okay, so in this way you can run your any process in a specific machine using Robocop Workforce Agent. Okay, now we had seen how you are able to run a particular process in a specific machine. Now for example, now you had linked this Robocop Workforce Agent to a specific workspace only. Now for example, apart from example workspace, now you need to run a process that is being present under, let's say, this workspace product, or you can say, yeah, under this workspace you had certain process, and now you need to run a particular process that is being present under this workspace. For that, what you have to do, is first you have to unlink the Robocop Workforce Agent from that workspace. Okay, since you know that this Robocop Workforce Agent is connected to which workspace now? Example workspace. So now you have to unlink it so that we can able to connect it to other workspace. So for that, what you have to do is first you have to stop the environment. Then you have to click on the settings button. Then you can see an option called unlink from workspace. Now you can click on unlink to get unlink from the workspace. Now you can do the same authentication option to get connected your workspace with the Robocop Workforce Agent. Now let me click on link Robocop Workforce Agent. Now you can see the available list of workspaces which are like to connect. So here you select it as production. Now you have to give your environment name. So in this case, I think I hadn't created any environment earlier. No. So let me give the name as, let's say, Nived underscore production. Cool. Now you can click on link Robocop Workforce Agent. Now you can see that you had successfully created a environment Nived underscore production in this production workspace, and this environment state is kept as idle. Okay, in this way we can able to connect one workspace with the workforce agent. Like now you had learned how you can connect the workforce with the specific workspace. Okay, so now I had to also add one more point. For example, now you are, let's say, unlinking from this workspace. Let's say you just click on stop and then you click on unlink workspace. Then you click on unlink. Now you had unlinked from this what? From this Nived underscore production environment. Now for example, in order to link, like now you need to link to this runtime environment once again, or you need to link to this workspace, production workspace once again. What we'll do, we just click on login to Robocop Cloud, and then you will click on the link Robocop Workforce Agent with your account. Then you will select the required workspace, that is production. Then you will give the environment name. So but let's say you want to link to this Nived underscore production itself, but you can't do that. For example, if you type Nived underscore production, you think that it will link to this Nived underscore already existing Nived underscore production environment, but it won't. That you can see here. So you just click on link workforce agent. What it will do is, you can see it will create another Nived underscore production environment, and the other environment will still kept as offline. So it means that it will not link to that existing environment. Instead of that, it will create a new environment. So whenever, like when you had unlinked from a workspace and when you are trying to link it again, it is better that you can delete the existing runtime environment. So because when you are connecting, it will always create a new environment. Okay, so also please note about that. So now we can delete this because we can't connect it again to the same environment once again. So you have to delete this. Now you can see that now it is being connected to what? Nived underscore production. Okay, so this is another point you have to keep in mind about when you are connecting your robot or your workspace with the Robocop workforce agent. Okay, so this is all what I want to convey you about the Robocop workforce agent. Hope you got an idea on how you can run your particular process on a target machine using Robocop workforce agent, and how you can connect to different workspaces, etc. So this is all I want to talk. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel for more updates. Thank you.